Good morning, students. Today we will study class 7 and we will discuss about the revision of chapter 10b. Before starting the revision, let me confirm you the pattern of your half yearly examination paper. जो आपके हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम में एक पेपर रहेगा वो किस पैटर्न पे रहेगा। सबसे पहले यू हैव टू सॉल्व ट्रू एंड फॉल्स। ओके, ट्रू एंड फॉल्स आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रहेगा। आफ्टर दैट देयर विल बी अ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन, you have to tick any one of the question from there. After that, this is question number 1, this is question number 2, and question number 3 will be simplify. You have to solve the questions. Okay, after that the last question will be your value based question, or you can say it will be your language question. How you have to write the language, how you will understand the language. Today we will discuss about our value based question or language questions. Okay, in exercise 10b, or you can say in chapter number 10, there are questions which are given language based question. The question number first of this exercise is: Rupesh secure 495 marks out of 750 in his annual examination. Find the percentage of marks obtained by him. रुपेश ने कितने मार्क्स सिक्योर किए? 495। कितने में से? 750 में से। Then how will you understand question number 1 and here will be your solution. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में क्या है सॉल्यूशन? रुपेश ने सिक्योर किए 495 मार्क्स out of 750 in his annual examination. Find the percentage of marks obtained by him. तो उसने कितने मार्क्स obtained किए, परसेंटेज हमें निकालना है. Then first of all you have to write maximum marks secure by Rupesh in annual maximum marks of examination. It will be your maximum marks of examination. कितने टोटल, कितने मैक्सिमम मार्क्स है? 750 मैक्सिमम मार्क्स है. मार्क्स इज योर 750. नाउ हाउ मेनी मार्क्स, हाउ व्हाट इज द, अब रुपेश ने कितने मार्क्स स्कोर किए हैं? मार्क्स secured by रुपेश. अब रुपेश ने कितने मार्क्स स्कोर किए हैं? इट विल बी योर 495. रुपेश ने कितने मार्क्स स्कोर किया? 495. नाउ परसेंटेज ऑफ मार्क्स सिक्योर्ड. अब हमें परसेंटेज निकालना है मार्क्स सिक्योर्ड का. तो 495 तो टोटल, 495 रुपीज ने स्कोर किए, 750 है टोटल. आफ्टर दैट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, बिकॉज जब हम परसेंटेज में, व्हेन वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द परसेंटेज, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड बाय 100. सो ओके, 0 and 0 will be cancelled here. After that you can divide 5 1 are 5 and 2 carry 5 5 are 25. 5 ये 49 है. 5 7 5 2 are 10. It will be here. Now you can cancel 15 from 490. 15 on the 15, 15 to the 30, 15 3 are 35. 15 you get 5 3 are 15 and 5 5 are 5 9 are 45. And it will be carry here it will be carry 495 divided by 5. Simply you can do 5 9s are 45, carry 4 5 5 9s are 45, cancel. It will be here 95, 3 1s are 3, 33. When you divide, when you multiply 495 and 33 multiplied by 2. Here it is left 33 multiplied by 2. It will be your 66%. How many now? Hence, Rupesh scored 66% ऑफ मार्क्स. ये आपका आंसर. रुपेश ने कितने मार्क्स स्कोर किए? 66% मार्क्स रुपेश ने स्कोर किए. बट when we are talking about language based question, you have to write the particular language here. Okay, आपको यहां पे लैंग्वेज लिखनी रहेगी. After that, in this, the question number second. The question number second is, question number second is the monthly salary of a typist is rupees 15,625. If he gets an increase of 12%, find its new salary. अगर एक टाइपिस्ट की सैलरी मंथली सैलरी है रुपीज 15,625, if he is getting an increase of 12%, then what will be his new salary? Right? Total monthly salary. टोटल मंथली सैलरी कितनी है? रुपीज 15,625. This is the total monthly salary. After that, increase in percent. कितनी इंक्रीज हुई है परसेंट में? इट इज योर 12%. नाउ अमाउंट increase 12% of 15,625. 12% of 15,625. Now 15,625 multiply by 12 upon 100. Okay, you can solve this. 15,625 multiply by 12 upon 100. How you can solve? See, 2 5s are 10, 0, 5 2s are 10. It will be 20 here. 5 say 20. Then 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, and 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 0, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 30, 5 2s are 10, and 5 1s are 5. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Here it is 621 multiply by 3. जब आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 620, it will be 5 6 205. Something is wrong here. 15625 multiply by 12 upon 100. Then it will be 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 25, 3. After that you can multiply divide 15,625 by 25. 25 by 5. Sorry, you can do from 5. 5 5s are 25, and 5 3s are 15. Here it is 5 1s are 5, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, and 5 5s are 25. Here 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30, 5 6s are 30, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25. 625 multiply by 3. जब आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे योर आंसर विल बी 1875 रुपीज का इंक्रीमेंट हुआ है. नाउ न्यू सैलरी 15,625 old salary plus 1875 will be your increment. आप इन दोनों को प्लस, when we are adding this, then answer will be your rupees 17,500. This is your answer. Hence, the new salary is 17,500. This is the language you can write. Now, 4, 5, question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 all are same. You have to practice it. I am giving you the homework. You have to practice question number 3, 4 and 5. Now let's come to question number 7. Question number 7 is, question number 7. It is your important question. Okay, I have mentioned here IMP, the short form. It is your important question. You can do. The question number 7 is 36% of the maximum marks is required to pass a test. A student gets 123 marks and declared fail by 39 marks. Find the maximum marks. हमें maximum marks find करने. एक स्टूडेंट ने 36% ऑफ मैक्सिमम मार्क्स इज रिक्वायर्ड टू पास. एक टेस्ट को पास करने में 36% मैक्सिमम मार्क्स चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट स्टूडेंट गेट्स 123 मार्क्स. अब स्टूडेंट्स को मिले कितने हैं? 123 मार्क्स मिले हैं टोटल में से. देन व्हाट विल बी द मैक्सिमम मार्क्स हमें फाइंड करना है. लेट एक्स बी द मैक्सिमम मार्क्स. हमने x को ले लिया है मैक्सिमम मार्क्स. ओके, आफ्टर दैट पासिंग मार्क्स. पास मार्क्स इक्वल्स टू 123 स्टूडेंट्स को मिले हैं प्लस 36%. ओके, 123 प्लस डिक्लेयर्ड फेल. फेल वो कितने नंबर से हुआ है? 39 मार्क्स से हुआ है. 123 plus 39 equals to it is your 162. Now then 36% of x equals to 162. 36% of x equals to 162. 36 upon 100 multiply by 162. Okay, 36 multiplied by x equals to 162. Now 162 multiplied by 100 upon 36. Okay, 162 multiplied by 100. 162 इधर जब ये यहाँ पे आएगा तो रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे. डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर में, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में. नाउ x equals to 162 into 100 upon 36. It will be 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 16, 2 8 the 16, 2 1 the 2, 18 and 81. It will be cut from 9. 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, 9 9 the 81. 2 1 the 2 and here will be 2 5 the 10 and 0. 9 multiplied by x equals to 9 multiplied by 50. X equals to 9 5 the 45. There will be 450. Hence the maximum marks is 450. Your answer is 450. It is important question. The question which are important I am telling to you, and please clear these all question in your mind very carefully. Okay, मैक्सिमम मार्क्स हमने x लिए हैं. पासिंग मार्क्स 123 स्कोर है. आफ्टर दैट 39 मार्क्स से फेल है. देन 123 plus 39 equals to 162. Then 36% of x equals to 162. 36 upon 100 into x equals to 162. After that x equals to 162 into 100 upon 36. When you solve this, your answer will be x equals to 450. Okay, this is your question number 7. Question number 8 you have to practice in this chapter. In this exercise 10b, you have to practice only 12 questions. आपको केवल 12 questions की practice करनी है. Now the 8th question you have to do by your own. Now I am telling you the 11th question. The 11th question is gunpowder contains 75% of nitrite and 10% of sulfur and rest of it is charcoal. Find the amount of charcoal in 8 kg of gunpowder. Now, in this question, how the language you can set? The language will be total quantity of gunpowder. Question number 11. It is also your important question. Question number 11. Total quantity of gunpowder. Total quantity of gunpowder. Gunpowder की total quantity of gunpowder is 8 kg. 8 kg equals to 8,000 gram. Okay. Now quantity of nitrile. Quantity of nitrile की quantity कितनी है? 75% of 8,000 gram. 75% of 8,000 gram. Now 75 upon 100 into 8,000. Okay, multiply 75 into 8,000, 75 into 80, it is your 6,000 gram. Okay, means 6 kg. After that, according to question, it is now quantity of sulfur. Quantity of sulfur. अब सल्फर की क्वांटिटी कितनी है? क्वांटिटी ऑफ सल्फर इज 10% ऑफ 8,000 ग्राम. 8 kg टोटल, 8,000 ग्राम. नाउ 10 upon 100 multiply by 8,000. Multiply this, it will be your 800 grams or 0.8 kg. Okay, 800 grams or 0.8. Now quantity of charcoal. Quantity of charcoal. हमें अब चारकोल की क्वांटिटी फाइंड करनी है. 8,000 माइनस 6,000 प्लस 800 bracket close equals to, here you can write gram because we are finding in gram. 8,000 minus 6800 ग्राम माइनस, जब आप माइनस करेंगे इट विल बी ओ 1200 ग्राम, मीन्स 1.2 kg is your answer. Hence the amount of charcoal in gunpowder. Hence the amount of charcoal. अब चारकोल की अमाउंट कितनी है ये आपका आंसर आया है. Hence the amount of charcoal in gunpowder is 1.2 kg. This is your answer. Okay, you have to write the language, and this is the important question. Question number 7, 8 and 11. All three questions are very important. You have to practice this question, repeat this question again and again, and practice these three questions rapidly. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. We will discuss the revision in our next class. Okay, thank you.